Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on managing figures in cdpACCESS. Let's jump right in. As you can see, I have already opened a proposal. I have already used the Add button to import the import the figure into my proposal. And then I've clicked on the figure here in the left-hand window so that it comes up in my editor window. I'll go ahead and click Edit, and it's going to bring up the different pieces that I can change. You can see that I can modify the section number or the title by using the strike through and underline buttons, just like any other code section. For the actual image itself, there is no image editor inside cdpACCESS. You simply need to hit the Browse button, choose an image, and it will automatically update that image for you. Once you've clicked Save, you will see your new image with the old image struck through and the new image in place. You can always go back and continue to replace it, and it will always show the original old image as struck through and the new image in place every time you choose this replace image. Now that it's in place, you're ready to go, and it will preview correctly when you look in the Preview tab as a code section with the old image struck through and the new image in place. Simple as that. Thanks for walking through this tutorial with me. If you have any other further questions, please feel free to email cdpACCESS@iccsafe.org. Thanks.